Hello, welcome to the Patrick Graphics. Today in this video, I will show you how you can resolve this problem of PhotoRoom app telling you error occurred whenever you open it. Okay, my own is doing that same thing and I've been using PhotoRoom for all this while. Okay, so when this thing shows, you cannot use all the features though, but you can still remove background and make use of some of the tools in PhotoRoom. And removal of background is one of the main thing in PhotoRoom app. Okay, so how do I do this? Then the thing I do is that I tap on here, my content, tap on my content, it will show me something like this. Then I go ahead and tap here, and it's going to open up like this. Then if there is no image there, you can go ahead and bring it image. If there is an image there, you tap on the image, then delete the image or maybe replace. Like sometimes they will show you option to replace here. If they not show you that option, you go down, delete that image. The image will be deleted, then you add image. That's the only thing. You add image, then you go to your gallery and look for whatever image you want to remove its background. Let's take for instance, I want to remove the background of this image now. I don't know which one should I remove background now. Let me say for instance this image now. Then you will see it will scan it and it will remove the background sharp. Okay, so despite that error occurred, I still make use of PhotoRoom app to remove image and do some couple of things. If I want to add shadow, these are all the tools: outline, reflection, adjustment, blur, filter, all these things. You can still use them. Okay, now if I save it, I will find it in my gallery. If I go to my PhotoRoom in my gallery, I'll find this image there. Okay, let me do that just now. Go to my gallery in PhotoRoom. Okay, here it is in PhotoRoom. Here it is. Look at it here. The image is just here. Okay, so despite that error of that thing you see in PhotoRoom, you can still make use of PhotoRoom app. I believe this was helpful, and if it was for you, kindly subscribe to my channel and also like this video for more content like this. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video, and until next time, stay creative.